Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch to a Realme phone. It's important to understand that Apple Watches are designed exclusively to pair with iPhones. They rely on Apple's ecosystem for setup, notifications, and all advanced features. Unfortunately, Realme phones operate on the Android platform, which means a direct connection or pairing with an Apple Watch is not natively supported. This fundamental difference prevents seamless integration between the two devices. The core reason for this incompatibility lies in the distinct operating systems. Apple Watch runs on Watch OS, which is deeply integrated with iOS, the iPhone's operating system. On the other hand, Realme phones utilize Android, a completely different platform. There are no official applications or bridges that allow an Apple Watch to communicate directly with an Android device. This architectural separation ensures that each device remains within its respective ecosystem, offering optimized performance but limiting cross-platform use. While connecting an Apple Watch to a Realme phone isn't feasible, there are excellent alternatives for Realme users. Many smartwatches are specifically designed to pair seamlessly with Android devices. Brands such as Samsung, Google Pixel Watch, and Fitbit offer a wide range of features and styles that integrate perfectly with your Realme phone. If you truly wish to use an Apple Watch, you would need an iPhone to set it up and maintain its functionality, as it cannot operate independently with an Android device. To summarize, the Apple Watch is an integral part of the Apple ecosystem, requiring an iPhone for its operation. Realme phone users will find a much more satisfying and functional experience by opting for a smartwatch designed for the Android platform. There are many fantastic options available that offer similar features and excellent integration with your Realme device. We recommend exploring these Android-compatible smartwatches to find the perfect fit for your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.